Today what I am going to make is bread jaggery halwa. Take little ghee, add kaju, fry it. I took 1 glass of water, parallelly boiling that water, adding maybe half cup of jaggery that's boiling, and I have to fry this kaju. When slightly becoming darker, I could add kismis. Put it in low flame. Jaggery is getting boiled. Transfer this to the bowl in which you are going to add this. The oil can be balanced. The 4 pieces bread. I cut each bread into 9 pieces, piece like this, and then adding in the low flame, fry it properly. Little more ghee as required. You can add ghee or butter or oil little bit, so that whatever style you want. Idea is to make it like frames. Okay, so low flame is better, so that the ghee is caught in each and every corner of the bread. Move the bread into a plate. This can be off. The liquid bellam is poured into this frying pan. To fry, it's a clean bellam, so natural from the garden, so you don't require to clean it, otherwise you need to clean it. And then add this bread. So it is added. You can see how the mix is happening, and once the bellam, sharkara, jaggery gets it absorbed in the whole bread, once it is done and it is caught totally inside, you could add little milk and allow to boil it. The milk is added and allowed to boil it. You could add little milk and then check it also, but I just added milk as it is. Okay. Then add this kaju kismis, adding little cardamom powder, little kayam, little pepper powder. It's only for little taste, little pepper powder, little cardamom powder, and this is bread jaggery halwa. Can switch it off. Bread jaggery halwa is ready to serve.